so we're back working on Sandy again. I got the heads back from the machine shop. Here they are. Let's open them up and see what they look like. Okay, so in order to put these heads back on, I actually got to take them apart. So that's what I'm going to do now. I had to take these caps back off because I had these backwards. I had these lobes facing up and these facing down at the 7 o'clock position. It's supposed to be the other way around. The intake is supposed to be at 7 o'clock and the exhaust is supposed to be facing up, just like that when you're installing. So don't make that mistake. Okay, so far so good. I got the fan on there. I'm gonna check to see if it holds temperature. The battery is crap. Then I'm gonna take it for a test drive.